guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going flow line, which is much closer to me today, and we're meeting some friends up there, so we'll go straight into it. Right, as you guys can see, we are now at flow line, so we'll get to top and record some fun action. See you there. Ready? Let's get steady. Oh, he's going that way. I'm gonna do it a little manual. A little. Whoa, they've changed it. Oh, I'm going for it. Woo. Let's go! Eat doodle! I'm crashing! Oh, I'm going! Whee! Oh! On the front! Who's telling me, guy? What if I'm gonna go? Oh, I'm in the wrong gear. Manual. Oh, flat. I'm going this way. Hey guys, we're gonna hit Shackington now. Because this kid can't, I'm gonna teach him. I'm dropping!
I'm gonna hit a manual as well.
Hurry, 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 rockaboo.
Whee!
Oh, flippers. My foot almost came off.
Dropping.
First, we're gonna do a little manual down the corner. And now, kaboom, cabin. Woo! Whee! Dropping. Let's go, guys. So here you go, a little old bush manual. Oh, I hit my eye. And then we go over here. Oh, flippers. A little manual. Oh, I'm right behind him. Oh my god, I was right behind you.